Mom, let's go.
I'll take the bus.
No. Okay.
Wait. These are my last memories.
I'm taking the box, Mom, because we're leaving.
Well, yeah, but I will not take it with me.
Okay, and if you want to take it,
let's go. Let go.
Let's just go.
I will take it. Please.
Fine. Mom. Mom, what did... Mom. Hey. Mom, where are you?
Eli.
What? Are you okay?
Right here.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm following the sound.
What?
Come. Follow my voice.
Okay. Wait for me, Mom.
I think it's coming.
What is from? Where are you?
Come.
Mom?
Eli.
Mom?
Congratulations! You are the first two visitors of Bumbles' paradise. My name is Bumbles. My name is Bumbles the bear. And this is my paradise.
The music. Can we hear a song?
No, we need to go.
Of course you can. Wait.
Whoa.
Eli.
No.
Eli.
No, turn that off! Turn it off! Oh, it's moving around in circles.
Yeah, it does that.
Okay, I'm fine.
Isn't it awesome? Wow.
No!
second step is I close my eyes like this. Are you closing your eyes?
Yes.
And now the third step is I relax. Ah. Are you in pain? Is something poking you?
I'm relaxing.
Okay.
Your eyes are supposed to be closed.
Yeah.
Ow.
Mr. Bumbles.
Yeah? Sorry.
Hey!
I think it's time we call the rain. Can you both keep a big secret that I haven't told anyone?
Yes.
Okay, follow me.
Go.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
This may look like a regular coffee table, but it's much more. This is a memory vault. It has all my biggest secrets. Observe. This may look like a tiny record player, but it's magic. It's time we prepare for the rain. Eli, come stand over here. Catch!
Whoa.
And put it down. Amanda, you can go there. Catch and put it down. Eli, go over there. Catch and put it down. Okay, now all three of us must lift the aquarium. Be careful of the gula monster, he bites, but it's okay. It's very nice, I'm joking. Pick it up together. 1, 2, 3, lift! Slowly behind you, watch your head. Slowly behind you, watch your head. Watch your head. Okay. Now putting it down gently, 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 gently. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay. Now we call the rain. Now, nobody move for 5 seconds. 1, 2.
Why can't I move?
No, you can't move because the rain is really shy, and if you move, it won't come. 1, 2, 3.
That's definitely
Trust me, you have to be still.
That's not how rain
Freeze!
works.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.